What's up everybody, and welcome back to Creating Creations. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get free solder from old circuit boards. To remove all of the solder from the circuit board, you will need a soldering iron and a solder remover. And follow along with the video. Oh, and did I mention, a lot of patience, as this will take forever. Sometimes the solder will come out easily, other times you will need to take apart the solder remover and clean all of the solder out. At the end you will use a soldering iron to group it all into a clump of metal, as you can see right here. Now we're going to try using all of this solder that we removed from that one circuit board. And it's working, but please forgive me for my terrible soldering skills. If you did in fact enjoy this video, I would very much so appreciate it if you would smash the like button and perhaps subscribe to me if this is your first time visiting. I'll see you all in the next video.